Alam nyo, Chiki Jovi, kanina nakausap natin si Commodore Tariela. Sinasabi niya na buti na lang, malapit lamang yung isang water asset natin. Tama, no, Commodore, yun ng Philippine Coast Guard. Kaya nakaresponde agad doon sa mga mangingisda natin. Although, marami pa rin tayong kulang. Ano po, Commodore? Ano po yung plano natin na i-acquire sana ng Philippine Coast Guard, especially for 2026 po?
Well, ang ating pong Commandant, Adno Gaban, made clear during the Congress and Senate hearing para sa budget natin for 2026, the importance of additional aircraft para makapagpalipad tayo ng eroplano, mamonitor natin ang lagay ng mga mais ng Pilipino, and not just in the West Philippine Sea, but also to conduct search and rescue, for example, and even to combat oil spill in different parts of the maritime jurisdiction. And secondly, we are also expecting na magkaroon tayo ng additional bottoms, additional Coast Guard vessels. Gaya sinabi ko kanina umaga, you can just imagine how vast the entire West Philippine Sea is, no? Kung gaano siya kalawak. Mula northern part of the Philippines going down to Palawan, and that's the entire western seaboard natin. So kung may mga instances na ang mga isang Pilipino ay maglalayag in different places, although alam naman natin kung saan sila talaga nangingisda, kung ang barko natin katulad yan, we only have 4403 and 4411, dalawang barko lamang ang nasa Palawan during that time. At magkaroon ng group of fishermen na mangingisda in different parts of the Kalayaan Island Group, it will be difficult for us to respond kung sakaling 5 groups of Filipino fishermen ang sabay-sabay na hinala. Nagkataon lang na nung last Sunday, ang ating 4403 is already within the vicinity, kaya tayo nakapunta agad dun sa panghaharap sa kanila. But again, let me reiterate, kailangan natin ng mas maraming Coast Guard vessels para siguraduhin malaya at ligtas na makakapangista ang ating mga kababayang Pilipino.